It's practically a cliche. Dope on a table, but not today. No dope, not even a table. VPD Inspector Phil Hurd spent the morning briefing reporters on what he says is not being seized: small personal use amounts of drugs, which have been decriminalized for over a year.
The data clearly shows that our officers are committed to supporting the implementation of decriminalization and its overarching goal to take a health-led approach to substance use as opposed to a criminal justice one.
Decriminalization of personal use amounts of cocaine, meth, opioids, and ecstasy under 2.5 grams has been in effect in BC as a pilot program since January last year. Hurd says police support the program and are abiding by it. Now, police say their data shows that drug seizures are down across a variety of weights. Seizures of drugs under 2.5 grams, those are down 100%, they say. They're not happening at all. Now, seizures of 2.5 to 4.5 grams, those are down 84%. And overall, drug seizures in Vancouver, they say, are down 76%. But not everyone is accepting those numbers. Last month, an article was published on Canadian news and investigative site The Maple, claiming that FOI data revealed minor drug seizures are up since decriminalization by 34%. Tyson Singh is an outreach worker and health sciences PhD student at SFU who co-wrote the article.
But drug seizures happen in the downtown east side for all kinds of reasons. Police harassment, we see a massive increase in decampments, displacements. Police are picking people's drugs out of their tents before they throw them directly into garbage cans.
Jason Rigsby with the Vancouver Area Network of Drug Users says the numbers don't match what he's heard on the street.
They seize everybody's tents and stuff, and you're going to tell me there's no drugs in none of these tents? And I know some people that have had their drugs taken away, maybe not prosecuted, brought through the system, but I'm sure that they've lost their drugs.
But Hurd accuses Singh's article of faulty analysis.
Such reports are patently false and are wholly incorrect.
He says there was a bad misinterpretation of the data. In particular, sometimes people had multiple drug packages, which were all listed separately, which added up put their total weight above the limit.
Claims that VPD officers are seizing more drugs at or below the 2.5 gram threshold are clearly false.
He says the public can trust police numbers. There have been no complaints against police for informal confiscations of small quantities of drugs. But Singh is skeptical about what police are saying about small quantity seizures.
We know that seizures have not gone down to zero. And for people's day-to-day lives down here, might only buy enough to last a few days. And then having the police take it means you have to replace that supply.
He says if these seizures are continuing, they're just another barrier for people who use drugs. Liam Britten, CBC News, Vancouver.